Analysis. Our world is an astonishing place. Today on Analysis I will show you 5 astonishing facts about the Earth that will blow your mind. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Number 1. The Earth was once purple. A long time ago, the Earth was filled with a single cell life form that was purple in colour. They were purple because they made a protein called retinol, which works in a similar way to chlorophyll, but instead of taking the blue and red light, they took the green light, which has more energy in it. The mystery is these life forms are still replaced by plants and algae as the dominant life forms that feed on the sun, despite using a stronger part of the light wavelength and getting more energy that way. It is very ironic that the organism that receives less energy from the light that it gets is still better at making sugars that it can use for its growth. Plants reflect away most of the energy and it's wasted. Whereas if these organisms had developed further, they would have become much more efficient than plants. So that is a sense of irony that I have. Number 2. The Earth is actually 2 planets smashed together. Billions of years ago, the Earth existed as 2 separate planets, one slightly smaller than the other one. The orbits of the 2 planets crossed paths, and one day they collided. The miracle is that the 2 planets remained intact as one planet, whereas they could have blown each other into smithereens, leaving no trace of a planet behind but asteroids. The collision is believed to have created the Moon because of the debris that were thrown out from the impact. Number 3 is that the Earth will be destroyed by the Sun. Billions of years from now, the Sun will run out of hydrogen to fuse. It will then begin to fuse helium and expand to a huge size. It will grow bigger and redder as the years pass until it eventually becomes bigger than the Earth's orbit. The last thing you'll see towards the end of the Earth is just a sky filled with sunlight. Very, very bright sunlight. It'd be like hell on Earth. It'd be hot, even the surface of the Earth would melt and it'd be like molten rock. Number 4 is that the oceans of the Earth were once green in colour. The Earth's oceans were green because they were filled with iron. When the Earth first formed, the oceans appeared before oxygen appeared on the Earth. It is oxygen that makes iron rust and turns it into flakes. Without the oxygen, the iron was free to be dissolved in water without rusting and was able to be suspended by the water molecules and eventually got deposited into layers and formed into rocks. If you were around then, you would have smelt a strong smell of iron. You also would have passed out because there's no oxygen, just carbon dioxide and nitrogen. And finally, number 5 is that the Moon does not orbit the Earth. The Moon and the Earth both orbit a barrow point. The Earth-Moon barrow point is the common centre of gravity between the 2 planets. The common centre of gravity in the Earth and the Moon is below the Earth's crust, but when the Moon first formed and it was closer together, it would have been above the Earth's surface. Thank you for watching this video all the way through, and I hope you liked the video. I will remain diligent to make more videos in the near future, and if you like what you saw, feel welcome to subscribe or follow the pages attached to. And until next time, I say goodbye.